Now that you have written your JAMB, you must become committed to knowing how to check your JAMB result, knowing when to check your JAMB result, and just focusing on your result, because the essence of all those sleepless nights, all the efforts you put in is actually to score high in your JAMB. And if you have done the right thing, if you have put in the effort, then we should be seriously looking out for your JAMB results. I believe those of you that have been following this channel, those of you that are watching these videos or this particular one we are doing, will come back with a testimony. Why we are on it, why we are waiting for the JAMB result, because I have already made a video telling you that we are waiting for JAMB to officially release the result. So let's focus on, now that you are waiting for your JAMB result, what should you do? What are you supposed to do? So I'm going to give you just 6 things that you can do right now that you are waiting for your JAMB result, so that once the JAMB result is out, you just pick it up and keep running. Are you getting me? Remember, writing your JAMB is not the end of the journey. Even seeing your JAMB result is not the end of, even if you score 400 over 400 in JAMB, even if you score 300, which is our prayer in this channel, that no member of our channel will score less than 300. It is 300 and above, and I also want you to claim it and believe it. Claim it in the comment section that you will score 300 and above. But that notwithstanding, when you are waiting for your JAMB result, there are 6 things I will recommend you start doing right now, because JAMB result will be out. They have said that 5 days, JAMB will be over by 15th, and I mean by 5th of May. So we are expecting between 5th of May and 10th of May for your JAMB result to be in your front. While we are waiting, I recommend that you take some time to rest. Take some time to sleep. Some of you did not sleep very well for more than 1 month because you were reading, because you were trying to read as much as you can. So I recommend taking out quality time to sleep. Bring out time and sleep. Body no be firewood, right? You have you have done well. You have stressed your brain. You have pushed your body to the limit. Some of you were sleeping just for 3 hours every day. Some of you were going for night lesson. Doing it, and that is why, let me say again, that your efforts will not be in vain. You will score above 300 in this JAMB. If you still believe it, type "I claim it" in the comment section. Okay, so number 1 thing I recommend for you is take out time and sleep. Then beyond that, also find a way to have fun, right? Find a way to enjoy. I mean, if you followed our videos on this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, I was the one encouraging you to leave partying, leave shopping, leave swimming, leave everything, leave clubbing, everything, and focus on the JAMB. Now that JAMB is over, I want to let you know that you can actually have some fun, right? Just a brief fun, have some fun. You could go out with your friends. You can go to the mall, ShopRite, Romance, go take ice cream. Just enjoy. You deserve it. Even before the JAMB result is out, I am confident that your JAMB result will be very, very powerful. So go and have some fun. If you like swimming, go and swim. If you have money to go out for shopping, or if your brother or sister, your mom can take you out for your shopping, go and shop. If you want to take me out too, let me know, right? But go and have some fun. Congratulate yourself, Congratulate yourself. Have fun. Good fun. If you like playing football, go and play football. If you like playing video game on your phone, then you can also see a movie. Like me, I like action movie like Money Heist, Game of Thrones. I also like Billions, movies on business and finance. So you can see a movie, you can see business movies. If you have been hearing about love in every word, this Nigerian Nollywood movie that came out when you are still preparing for job, you can have time, watch it. It's available on I think on YouTube. Some of you that are also on Netflix can also have some time and watch, right? So just have fun. Good fun, good fun, not a quack kind of fun, not you know what I'm saying. Okay, not anything that has to do with romance and sex. Cancel that one, but have good fun. Beyond that, congratulate yourself, right? You have done well. Even if eventually you don't score 380, 390, even if you score 250, 2 something, don't kill yourself. Stay, congratulate yourself. Even before you see your JAMB result. If you have been following this channel, I know you're a serious student and I know you gave it your all. So don't kill yourself, don't overthink it. Find your time to congratulate yourself, okay? Now, the next thing I must tell you is you must keep reading. The fact that you read for your JAMB, the fact that you wrote your JAMB, even if you wrote very well or did not write very well, doesn't mean that reading is over. In fact, JAMB is the beginning. JAMB is only the beginning. Some of you wrote your JAMB in your SS3. Remember, you still have your NECO ahead of you, you still have your WAEC ahead of you. And even if you wrote your JAMB after your secondary school, remember, most of Nigerian institutions now will ask you to come back and write post-UTME, right? If you want me to make videos on post-UTME, just let me know. Tell me the institution, I mean the university, the states you applied and the university you are targeting, and also tell me the course you are targeting, right? So that I will know if you want me to start making videos to prepare you for your UTME, your screening examination. Do you understand? So keep reading, just keep reading, right? Don't stop reading, keep reading, get your books and read. This is very, very, very important, okay? For your WAEC, for your NECO. Do you want me to make videos for WAEC exam? If you want me to make videos on WAEC exam, please let me know. If you want me to make videos on NECO, on post-UTME, please comment, drop a comment and tell me that you will really need me to make videos. I will start making videos on that. If I get you people telling me, I or my staff will give you videos on that, okay? The next thing is I encourage you to learn skills. I encourage you. See, in this country now, it's not just about going to university. It's not about just what you studied. You need to be skilled. There are both hard skills and soft skills. I encourage you, within this time that you will be at home, you still have like 6 months. You can learn most skills within 3 to 6 months, right? Engage yourself in learning a skill. There are some hard skills I encourage you. If you're already learning a skill or you want to learn, let me know, right? We have things like tailoring, sewing, hairdressing. There are many. Decoration, baking, cake making, shoe making. There's money in this, right? You can learn a trade. You can learn masonry, carpentry, POP, electrician, nursing. Some of you that want to do nursing, you can go to a hospital around, maybe this maternity hospitals and all the rest. Some of you that want to do nursing in school, while you are waiting for admission, you can go there. Some of them can accept people like apprentice. You will be doing it while waiting to gain admission. That practical skill will give you an edge over others. I hope you are with me. You can learn barbing. I mean, the list is endless. There are 101 things you can learn, okay? Very, 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 very important. I highly recommend it. Truth is, if you learn a skill, the money you make from that skill can actually see you through school. You don't have money to enter university. You don't have money to. You are afraid that even if you do well in your JAMB, your parents may not have money to send you to school or have all the money to buy the textbooks. And education is very, very expensive in any part of the world, especially in our country, Nigeria, and some African nations. Okay, so please go ahead and learn a skill. If you want me to guide you, just let me know. If you want me to guide you, let me know. I could point you to the right direction. I could help you to discover the skill that will match your talent. Okay, handwork is very, very good. Okay, the next skill I encourage you to go for is go for soft skills, digital skills. Me, I am a teacher. I own schools, right? But I'm also good in making videos on YouTube. There is quite a lot of money in digital skills. I know people that they don't do any other work apart from creating videos and posting on YouTube, and they make a lot of money. In fact, I saw a little girl, just just about 21 or 22 years. This month of April, last month of March, this girl made on YouTube, she made $728. $728. Somebody, please convert it to Naira and tell us in the comment section what it is in Naira. This girl should be in her 20s, like she will not be more than 23 years, just posting videos on YouTube. If you want to learn how to become a YouTuber like myself, I make money here on YouTube too. You can ask me in the comment section and I will teach you, but it will not be free. I teach people on how to. Young people can do that. There is quite, I don't know how to emphasize it, but there is quite a lot of money from YouTube, okay? Digital skills. It may not even be just YouTube. It could be skit making. It could be learn computer training. Be very proficient in computer training. There is a lot. There is a lot of soft skills. Website design, app design. Facebook ads, how to run ads. Forex. You can trade on Forex. Video editing, writing, editing. There is quite a lot you can do. So learn a digital skill, even if you have to pay. But don't waste your time. You can have like 1 month of enjoyment, 1 week of sleeping well, enjoyment, but be after that, while others are idle waiting for the JAMB to release their result, go back, fix yourself somewhere, even if you have to pay, even if you have to beg, even if you have to learn a trade, just get busy, okay? Learn a digital skill, then take online courses. There are several platforms you can leverage on to take courses like Udemy, like Coursera, Thinkific, Kajaba, Moodle, Deco, all of them. If you want me to give you examples, just go to Google, and some of them you will find very, very free, helpful online courses. Free for you, and very, very, very helpful, okay? Then, apart from that, utilize this moment to read books. See, life is not just about what is studied in school. Me, I did computer engineering in the school, but that is not what is giving me money now, right? I had to, because right now I have employees, I have businesses. I had to learn how to manage businesses. I have to learn about finance, about money. I had to learn about relationship. So I had to learn how to discover my talent. I have to learn how to fear God. So I encourage you to read books. Read books on personal development. You have a talent. Some of you have not discovered your talent. If I ask some of you, what do you want to be? Even the course you want to study in university, somebody suggested it for you, or you just by chance said, I want to be a doctor, or I want to do mass communication, I want to do political science. You need to discover who you are. And it is these books, How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you want to know about money, make money, read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Richest Man in Babylon, Awaken the Giant Within. There are many things I recommend for you. If you need me to recommend books for you, let me know. That is for members of our YouTube channel, okay? So there's a lot of books. Some of you should read about business. Some of you should read about online business. Just read. Some of you should read about blogging. There are books on these things. Anyone you need me to guide you, let me know. Then remember to make research. Research on that university you applied to. Research on the course you applied for. Research whether the school is accredited. Just spend time to make your research. Spend these few days or few weeks you have, even after getting your JAMB result, the few time you have, apply these things I've just talked about. And if you need me to guide you, let me know. Just go ahead and let me know. Any of these things I said that you need further guidance on, tell me in the comment section. Please become a member of our YouTube channel. If you have not become a member, let me know. Just ask me, sir, how can I become a registered member of our YouTube channel, so that I will send you the link. You can just become a member. Just with a click, you become a member. Beyond that, go ahead, like this video. Just click on like this video, then share this video to your friends. Share it here on YouTube. Copy the link, share the link on WhatsApp group, Facebook groups. Share it to your friends. You can see that this video is helpful, isn't it? Share it to everybody. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, let me know in the comment section. Help me. Let's make this video, because it is very helpful, let's make it go viral. I am leaving a video for you on the screen on how to check your JAMB result now. How to check your JAMB result now. Click on it immediately right now and watch.